this is not about Yiddish so much, but this was a kosher dairy restaurant, and my grandmother was the cook. It was a mom and pop shop. My grandmother was the cook. My grandfather was the waiter. There was one other waiter, and they lived upstairs in an apartment. And of course, they had to keep kosher. But when I'd visit, for some reason, my grandmother felt I needed a hamburger. And between lunch and dinner, when the restaurant was closed, she would sneak out the back alley and go over to the kosher butcher, come back with enough meat for a hamburger, and secretly cook it in the kitchen. And she risked her kosher license for her grandchild to cook me some meat. I don't know, maybe I insisted that I needed a hamburger. I don't remember. But that's kind of my grandmother's love for me, was risking her whole kosher establishment to cook me a hamburger.